Hello, welcome to Leftovers by Half Pant Comedy, a podcast where we talk about food. And today we are going to talk about a topic that will be introduced by our host today. So let me welcome the host for the evening, Amay Halur.
Hello, hi.
Woo!
Hello, hi.
And now I will be going because this part is going to be cut.
Ah,
Okay. Again, I'm doing intro, okay? Hey guys, welcome to the Leftovers podcast by Half Band Comedy. This is a podcast we talk about topics and food related to that topics, what we eat or what we associate to that topic. My name is Amalur, and today I'm joined by my friends, my boys. Give it up for Anand Mathur and Indranil Chaudhary.
what's up?
And today's guest that we have is a very funny comic from the Pune scene. Her name is Anamika Haridas.
Woo!
Hello, hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys.
The topic that we're gonna talk on today is binge watching. What food we associate, what we eat when binge watching stuff. So, have you guys watched anything lately? Have you binge watched anything lately?
So
I've been watching The Boys lately. Can't really binge watch it because only one episode.
Yeah, that sucks.
It's so bad.
So bad because I feel like that whole series is made for binge watching, but they just like नहीं हम लोग हफ्ते में एक एपिसोड निकालेंगे.
I'm just thinking कि प्राइम वीडियो अभी ऐसा मिर्जापुर के साथ किया ना तो मैं अनइंस्टॉल कर
तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स का क्या मतलब अगर तुम टीवी जैसा एक हफ्ता वेट करोगे हम
Exactly.
just they are not trusting their own series कि मतलब उनको वो चाहिए कि अभी और अगले एपिसोड में और वो आना चाहिए as if like I don't know
काफी क्लियर कट पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे अनंत
नहीं
सर
बहुत ही ज्यादा इंसाइटफुल था ये.
काफी इंसाइटफुल मजा ही आ गया.
So, guys, I have binge watched something recently.
What?
I'm glad you asked, Anand. So I binge watched Masaba on Netflix.
Oh,
Oh.
how is it? I haven't.
How's it?
It's quite good. It's quite good, and it's written by like one of our comic friends as well, Punya, and a couple of other writers.
Nice.
Or
Yeah,
Kafi
right.
Mazumdar hai. It's basically like, and I didn't know that. And it's about like Masaba and Neena Gupta and their life, and it's fictionalized, but it's also like related to real life. Or Kafi Mazumdar, or 10 episode hai.
Is it on Netflix?
हाँ.
It's on Netflix. It was my number one recommendation. So, and it's
nice.
yeah.
Oh. Right.
So guys,
Man,
Leftovers
it's-
brought to you
Now
by
I feel like
Netflix.
I'm in. Yeah, cool.
Hopefully someday, Indranil.
So I was watching I think Sex Education जो पहला सीजन जब आया था उसका एंड मतलब मैं ऑफिस से आया है एंड मैं आई वाज लाइक कि वो ऑफिस में ही मैंने उसका पहला एपिसोड देख लिया था. आई वाज लाइक मेरे को ये देखना है अभी एकदम से.
Very productive day.
Today office में sex education देखा.
Yeah,
आनंद भाई बोल रहे हैं आप कोडिंग तो नहीं सीख रहे तो कुछ और तो सीख लेते हैं.
मैं वैसे भी
तेरा
2 महीने
work from home चालू हो गया था
2 महीने बाद मैं वो ऑफिस छोड़ दिया था तो आई वाज लाइक जस्ट let's definitely
फैमिली सेक्स देख रहे हो और कुछ ना.
ये तेरा तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू हो गया था क्या कि एक्चुअल ऑफिस में था तू?
नहीं इट्स सीजन 1 में तो इट्स मतलब 2018 में
बहुत पहला है.
हाँ.
so I came home and I bought this big packet of both बड़ा वाला लेस का हरा वाला and I started I was like कि आज फ्राइडे तो आज रात को बैठ के देखना है जितना भी एपिसोड हो जाए and then I didn't stop till like the last episode and पूरा मैं सीजन देखा उसका that's it.
मैं अगर रात को देखा ना बहुत ज्यादा रात को So I don't know, I have this thing, I like papad a lot while eating it. So I go and microwave papad and then like get it and I'm like, हाँ अभी मजा आएगा थोड़ा कुछ तो.
I feel for me, I feel like there are two kinds of binge watching. One is like when you're watching a completely brand new series, and one when you're like watching an older series because you're done with life. I feel like those two are like very different kinds of binge watching. So
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
like in college, because I think everyone's free the most in their life during college. Have you had those days in which you want, like you have dedicated a day of the week? Is like this week, this particular day, I will binge watch. Has it ever happened with her? Like I've done that. That's how I want to know.
Yeah. I used to be like some new series has come
I
up.
have.
मैं सैटरडे को पूरा खत्म कर दूंगा ये. मंडे को बात करते हैं इसके बारे में.
Dude.
Oh, but Abhya, you and I are from the same
What?
college. Okay, so
Yeah.
no, so we're both from the same college, right? So in my batch, they used to do this thing where, what do you call, like weekends, I think in the boys' hostel and stuff, and even in the girls' hostel, all of us used to basically like gather 8 of us, and then like we would have our binge watching session and also be eating. And it'll be like a whole session, especially like with horror shows and things like that, where we're
Oh.
all just like there in one person's room, we all gather, and then, yeah. Did you also have that, or is that a generational thing?
No, I was staying at home and not at hostel, so I I didn't have 8 people next to me.
Oh,
So even during my engineering, I was a day scholar only. So I used to stay with my aunt and my cousins. So my cousin and I used to study at night. And रात में मतलब ऐसे 1 घंटा पढ़ लिया है या 2 घंटा पढ़ लिया है, उसके बाद that's the capacity. उसके बाद में we have to like कि अभी आज कुछ तो horror movie या कुछ देखना है. And then dedicatedly just for that horror movie we'll be like कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं देखा जाएगा. We'll go to the kitchen, we'll make like जो भी उस दिन पड़ा हुआ है. तो it's कि अगर पोहा पड़ा है तो we'll make पोहा. अगर वो सेवई होता है ना, so वो पड़ा है तो वो कुछ भी ऐसे
हाँ.
वो बनाएंगे and then we'll go and start watching. तो मैं अपनी लाइफ में जितनी हॉरर मूवीज देखा है सारी ये पोहा और सेवई खाते हुए देखा है.
But I feel like I'm just impressed that आप engineering
Oh,
में
yes.
रोज पढ़ाई करते थे.
हाँ, so it was like कि
Yeah.
my sister was in 12th, so उसको पढ़ना था क्योंकि उसके लिए जीवन उसको लगा था कि engineering is a serious thing. So I used to help her with studies. और मैं बीच में थोड़ा बहुत कुछ अपना पढ़ लेता था.
तो मेरे हॉस्टल में क्या सीन था कि 8:30 को अपना हॉस्टल बंद हो जाता था. 8:39 को, मतलब तुम फिर बिल्डिंग से नहीं निकल सकते, और वो अपना डिनर टाइम भी होता था. तो अगर मुझे पता है कि उस दिन मुझे बिंज वॉच करना है, मैं पहले डिनर करता था, ठीक है. फिर हॉस्टल के ठीक सामने एक कैंटीन रहता था, मतलब एक दुकान रहता था. दे आल्सो सोल्ड लाइक burgers and like weird bread with cheese stuff, which is pretty good, but like I don't know, weird. Right after dinner, I'd go there, I'd buy a couple of those things. I'd buy chocolate cake because वो हमेशा आंखों के सामने रहता था. वो the one which you like break open and has like liquid chocolate in the middle. Like get a couple of those, get some chips. I had like a fancy college. Get some chips and then go back to the room and start watching the series. But पेट भरा हुआ तो मैं कुछ खा नहीं सकता. 3-4 घंटे बाद जब पेट फिर वापस थोड़ा सा लगता, then I would eat that food again. I had to plan ahead कि चलो अभी 5 घंटे तो देखूंगा ये सीरीज, तो इस टाइम पे मुझे 3 घंटे बाद खाना भूख लगेगा तो मुझे कुछ खाना पड़ेगा. तो I should like plan my nights out like that.
Yeah. So I बोला था कि have you guys like had this thing where like you're watching a series or whatever you're watching, and then but you're not hungry, but then they are eating something. That looks very good.
सच में.
And then you're like, नहीं अभी मेरे को भी कुछ तो चाहिए. And then you go search and then you don't have anything at home only. Then you come in depressed.
That depends on the series. Like if it's like a pastime series, you're okay. But if you're watching like MasterChef and all, then you're like no. And like अब चाहिए कुछ घर पे. Then you're like bread रहेगा, mayonnaise रहेगा, toast, उस पे कुछ cheese, कुछ भी. Anything that's different, bread, butter, biscuits. कुछ तो चाहिए खाने के साथ. भूख लग जाती है.
रोटी नहीं चाहिए.
basically your standards keep lowering. That's what happens.
Then in the end you're like, हाँ आज तो दूध के साथ ही काम चलाना पड़ेगा और कुछ है
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I used to do this thing where same like you and Neil. So I would get like a big packet of chips or something from the whatever store in college, and then I would go to my room and I would get in between. I used to do this thing. I stopped after that for reasons which will become obvious soon. But I basically used to get that Amul dabba of cheese. Do you know that? Like they had different flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I used to get like one different flavor or something, and I'd get it, and I'd like pehle tamiz se, you know, I would like dip the chip and then have it, and then after a point, it just became like I'm taking my spoon and I'm just like having the cheese on its own while watching Friends or something. And I'm like, okay, this has got to stop. I'm getting a reputation for being like the cheese girl. What is your go-to binge watch?
Oh, mine is Lay's.
Yeah. So Lay's comes to like even to me, the first option is Lay's only.
Yeah.
Unless I'm like if I'm cooking something or I've ordered something, nahi to phir.
I feel like in this lockdown, I've kept like Lay's stacked up every time at home. So
Oh damn, yeah.
I actually prefer
What about you and Neil?
bread with some kind of spread because
हाँ.
Lay's बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है
Ah,
हाँ.
and that's like an issue because तुम पूरा बड़ा पैकेट Lay's लेके आते हो और फिर 10 मिनट के अंदर खत्म हो जाता है like अभी 2 घंटे मूवी के बाकी है अब क्या करूँ मैं and now the thing is you can finish one packet of Lay's without issue but then when you open this you go for the second one you're like नहीं अभी जिंदगी खराब हो गई है you don't feel like doing that और फिर you're like without food
That's why I always get like the big 40 rupees pack. So like
Yeah.
it takes time to digest. And I'm
That's
like,
how you plan
yeah,
actually.
right.
Indrajit. That's how you plan.
तो अब नहीं सोचा so that's what I do I take like 4 pieces of bread and then I don't make a sandwich because वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है I just make like open 4 slices of bread and put the spread on each of them and then I eat it one bread at a time so it lasts longer and
Yeah.
that's the key to my I think health I feel like that's why any health conscious people out there who's watching this
Please.
say no to Lay's
yeah, eat a bunch of carbs.
Yeah. With a spoon, just.
this could be like this perfect segue if we had like the sponsor of this baked good. Lay's cancel karo. Have use our code.
ये what?
इसमें
Have been
विराट
hot
कोहली का
hot.
ऐड डाल देते हैं बीच में विराट कोहली का वो
हाँ,
टीम
वही,
में
वही.
ऐड
हाँ,
डाल
हाँ.
देते हैं
Use our code halfpant comedy 10 to get 10% off of your first purchase.
Use the coupon code leftovers.
Yeah.
But does
To have
anyone
some
like?
money left over after you
Ah,
get
nice.
first.
Classic comedy.
Yeah. So is that?
Anand, you say?
Is that a thing that like it is with me that when you are like ऐसे Lay's का पैकेट रखा हुआ है and you're watching some movie or something and the moment some intense scene comes in the movie suddenly मतलब वो खाना भी ना एकदम से slow हो जाता है so it's like अभी एकदम से ऐसे मुट्ठी भर के खा रहे थे but now you are just एक को भी ऐसे धीरे धीरे खा रहा है बहुत ऐसे टुकड़ा करके
वो उसमें ब्रेड के साथ दिक्कत ये होता है कि
You know, this is the
थोड़ा
most
भारी होता
prominent
है।
when.
Yeah, sorry, Anamika, you were saying?
No, Indra.
Wow, man. this is
No,
the most-
sorry, I feel like there's a lag. So, wow. Okay, guys. What I'm saying is, so basically, like, yeah, I feel like Anand's thing is really prominent, especially when you're like having popcorn in a theater, like with other people. And then, like, when there's a silent scene, you're just like, I'm just gonna let this, you know, I'm just gonna take my time with the popcorn now so that, like, I don't disturb everyone.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what happens with bread, in case for those people who are wondering. So when you have like an intense scene,
Bread
and
in the theater. And
bread, right? Bread is heavier, okay. So you like pick it up and it's near your mouth, but then you don't eat it, और फिर वो हाथ दुखने लगता है. तो फिर तुम नीचे डाल देते हो उसको. So it's like the whole scene is just like, dude, how is that? यार? अभी है life. This is real life, okay? I'm saying real life.
are you So are you aware that you need to eat one slice at a time? Do you know? Are you eating a whole loaf?
Indranil is coming here with his like elite first world problem.
Yeah.
Guys, you know how
हाथ दर्द हो
you
जाता
have so much food and you're watching this beautiful show and your arm hurts.
which is more expensive, 40 packet Lays or one slice of bread? Okay, don't come at here with
I'm just saying that
Okay, Indranil, you're a man of the people.
Indranil chooses his series like what he's going to watch according to what exercise he wants, how much exercise he wants.
Yeah.
He's like, आज 2 किलो कम करना है, पूरा कुछ तो हॉरर मूवी देखेंगे, कुछ तो मजा आएगा.
You know, joke's gonna be on all of us when Indranil like comes out of this lockdown like all worked out and buff, and I'm just gonna like all of us are just gonna be like chilling with our lace pack.
He suddenly rolls up with his Harley with his glasses on. He's like, "What's up, bitches?"
Yeah,
Who's
I'm
Just-
going
who's
out to
that
buy
fool
bread
now?
on my Harley.
I would like to see that, just to see Indranil saying "What's up, bitches." Just
So I wanted to this thing like during like if you're watching some movies in the theaters back in the old days, how quickly did your popcorn get over though?
so
Oh,
mine usually stays like even after the interval, but हाँ because ज्यादातर I ज्यादातर मैं बहुत ज्यादा डूब जाता है मूवी के अंदर, so I'm like कि अभी धीरे धीरे खा रहा है पर वो वाला scene.
for me, it depends on the popcorn. I'm serious. No, it actually depends not on the quantity of popcorn, the kind of popcorn that I've taken. Because okay, it's a weird thing with me. I don't know. So if you just get the normal popcorn, वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है because you can eat it continuously. If you get the caramel popcorn, no, वो मीठा हो जाता है बहुत ज्यादा एक टाइम के बाद, तो तुम उसको continuously खा नहीं सकते. That's why what we do is we get like half caramel, half cheese.
I have
So that like slows down the process of eating the popcorn. And hey man, judge me all you want. It's what works for me.
No, I'm just saying that I
I'm-
hate caramel.
I'm not judging. Dude, but if you get half cheese, half caramel, right? Indranil, that's also my strategy. Half cheese, half caramel, like is life changing. Okay,
Yeah.
Indranil, I have another question for you. Do you put the caramel on top or the cheese on top? You're going to be
You
judged
mix it
on the
like a
basis of
normal
this question.
person. You don't half and half it. Don't act like a bitch here, okay? You mix it. Who
mix
puts half
it?
and half? Yeah, you mix it like a normal person.
The person who gives it to you puts half and half, Indranil. How are they meant to like shake
Tell
it up
them
for you?
to-
It doesn't have a lid.
Tell them to mix. No, so how they do it is they tilt it, right? And then they put cheese, then they put caramel on top of it, then cheese again, then caramel on top of it, and then they just shake it. So the layers like mix up. They don't fill it like this. They fill it like this.
For
Yeah.
me, whenever I've gotten it, it's always been, I mean, I ask also, but it's always been like cheese at the bottom and caramel at the top because the cheese flakes won't get into the caramel. And then once you're done with like the sweetness of it, you're like, ha, now I'm ready for the cheese, which let's all face it is the showstopper of the night. So save the best for last. So that's my strategy.
I'm
Yeah.
just saying कि इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ता.
I'm not
sorted ले लो.
like mixing them together like
Yeah.
sort of monster.
I'm just saying कि इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ता. Direct sorted ले लो, एक Pepsi ले लो, sorted, dude.
Yeah, I think that's why I don't like caramel.
Just because you don't have any class doesn't mean the rest of us also don't have any class. Okay.
No, I'm not. It's not about class. It's about convenience, dude. चीज पॉपकॉर्न कितना चिपकता है हाथ पे. टिश्यू पेपर मांगना पड़ता है उससे नेक्स्ट फिर बाद में भाई प्लीज.
जिंदगी में ना सैक्रिफाइसेस करना पड़ते हैं. ऐसा एटीट्यूड के साथ ना तू कहीं नहीं जाएगा लाइफ में.
नहीं, मेरे को मूवी
Yeah,
थिएटर
मैं
जाने का नहीं है, dude.
Understand when you're older.
Who?
इतना अनएंथुसियास्टिक थू मैंने नहीं देखा कभी.
ऑनलाइन है ना, ज्यादा जोर से
That
करोगे
was
तो
a segue through. That was
Hey, but-
so that we move on to the next subject.
Yeah, but so like talking about popcorn only. So after one time, like when the popcorn ends, okay, there are only those corn left niche mein, and like I don't know if it's just me, but you know the has ended, but still वो ऐसे लेके और पता नहीं मुंह में डालना है just to ensure that कि क्या पता कुछ खाने का है कि नहीं है. Is that
Sometimes it's like half
Just
cooked
to
and you can
feel
just
something.
chew it and eat it, and that's like lifesaver.
It's like finding 2 rupees in your pocket.
You guys
I feel
eat
like
the kernel?
तो expect नहीं कर रहे थे, पर अगर मिल जाए तो वाह.
हाँ Namika.
Always an optimist in Indranil.
Yeah.
But so what I was asking, do you guys eat the kernel? Like वैसे भी like would you have it if you even if you don't like
For
you
like
don't have it?
I have it. I have it.
for first 5 minutes before realizing कि अब खत्म हो गया, please इसके पहले कि तू टब का तला खाटना शुरू कर दे, please.
But okay, I'm gonna say something really gross. I don't know if it's just me. If I'm alone at home and I've made popcorn, I'm alone, the only person eating. I'll take all the kernels below, put them in my mouth, take all that whatever flavor they have, and put them back in the tub.
Okay.
Because I can't chew and eat them. I'm like, nah, these are like watermelon seeds for me. I have to put them back.
I was with you with the first part of the sentence, and then
And then you lost all of us. Goodbye, Amaya. We can no longer be friends.
Indra
Oh my God.
suddenly just classes towards
But popcorn is also like
It's like salted cheese.
yeah, Indranil. Coming with your bread and your elitism. Like I've been with my parents for a month now, and I'm like I'm having some observations about them. Like one, they're actually good people. I'm not so surprised about the good part. I'm more surprised about the people part, you know, because now I'm seeing them in their element. And now they're humanized. They're not just somebody I'm calling on the phone like randomly.
But you know, I'm not ashamed to admit that I relate completely with this thought, because
Thank you.
who is a fan of like food related shows, like not exactly like cookery shows or cookery competitions like that, but something related to food.
Oh, dude, I love on YouTube. Worth It is one of the best.
Oh yeah, Worth It. I used to watch Worth
So
It.
good, and you always feel hungry when you watch Worth It.
Yeah.
Have you seen Worth It, Anamika?
No.
The BuzzFeed
So
Yeah.
so it's basically a
series?
BuzzFeed. Yeah,
Or is it like a separate?
it's a series on YouTube. It's a BuzzFeed series. So what they do is basically they'll pick an item and then they'll eat 3 items at 3 different price points. So if they choose steak,
Oh.
they'll have like the most cheapest steak, the best cheapest steak that they can find, and then they'll also have like the most expensive steak that they can find, and then they'll compare it in the end. And it's like great because they find like unique things to do. They've done it on buffets. They've done it on ice creams. I think they've done it on like a ton of stuff. I think there
Oh.
have been a lot of seasons for it. So like it's a really nice show. You can watch.
Oh man.
But there's this series
There are
on
also like the Netflix one.
Which one?
Yeah.
हाँ नामिका बता.
Netflix पे कौन सा था?
Oh no, I was just saying they have the same like a similar format for Netflix also. Netflix India has like
Yeah,
Dosha.
Menu Please.
Oh no,
Menu
BuzzFeed
Please.
India
Yeah.
has Dosha at different price points.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
अच्छा.
Menu Please. Yeah. On
yeah.
Nice.
That's also a pretty good show.
Netflix पे I've seen this one more show. It's called Raja Rasoi and Kahaniyan. Raja Rasoi और कहानियाँ ऐसे कुछ करके. And what they do is that they will tell you, like they'll take a city and then they'll tell you the food history of that city. Like for example, like if they are talking about Rajasthan, so they'll tell you like कैसे राजस्थान में how the food and all developed. और वो क्या और उसमें ना every time like when they start talking about it, it's okay. But the moment they start talking about like chicken and something, I'm like, abhi khana padega. I
Hey,
can.
is it only me, or does like Raja Rasoi and Kahaniya sound like a B grade film ka title?
It does.
Yeah, it does.
Like I'm like, तू कौन सा shows देख रहा है आनंद? I'm like, oh like नहीं, history. Oh okay, sorry.
I feel like you
Oh man.
cannot talk about like food shows and not talk about Highway on My Plate. Have you guys watched? You haven't watched Highway on My Plate?
I
Oh
could have.
yeah.
Yeah, not
TLC.
DLC.
I've
This
heard
Good
of
Times,
it. I've
NDTV
not-
Good Times. You haven't watched
Good
Highway on-
times. NDTV Good Times.
Oh, dude, it was so good because like there
Even
was
I
these
didn't
two
watch
guys.
it too much, but I remember.
So the show was like there were these two guys. There was like one non-vegetarian, one vegetarian, and they used to just drive around like on like different cities, and like in dhabas they used to eat like their food, like their local food, and they used to order like the entire menu, and they fucking finished it off, dude. And
Oh.
these two people were fucking hilarious. Like they used to like make the show really interesting, and those two were what over the show, and like dude, बहुत मस्त show था. I feel like they still do something. If you guys want to check it out, probably YouTube पे कुछ तो रहेगा उनका. Check it out. It's
क्या
a
नाम? Highway on a Plate.
Highway
on my plate. I've heard of it. I've not seen it.
it was very popular at that time.
I think we can't stop like not also talk about, we can't not talk about any Gordon Ramsay show.
Oh,
I feel like Hell's
Oh, yeah.
Kitchen,
Yeah,
Nightmares,
Hell's Kitchen.
anything that involves food and him cussing is like a great
yeah.
entertainment to watch. There's one more show, is it Kitchen Nightmares?
Kitchen Nightmares.
Where
Yeah,
he goes to like
Kitchen
restaurants.
yeah, which were like really
It's so
bad, and then
interesting.
like he fixes it for them and shit.
Yeah,
And like,
it's a
dude,
food show which is also a soap opera. Brilliant the way they have done that. Yeah.
dude, like the entire episode, he's like fucking disappointed. Like, what the fuck are these guys doing? And then suddenly at the end, he's like, "ये लो तुम्हारा नया kitchen करो अभी, ये लो नया cook, नया chef, ये do it." What the fuck?
It is a Indian TV serial where he is the bahu and the saas. Like
Amazing.
And every show,
Gordon Ramsay.
it's always a family run restaurant, and there's always issues in the family. It's like
Hey,
उसका
but
बीवी के
have
साथ
you-
नहीं बन रहा, 10 साल से बात नहीं किया उसके साथ, वो उसको नहीं चाहिए था रेस्टोरेंट. Same issues every episode. We're still watching it. It's like बाप बहुत चिल्लाता है, बाप बहुत गुस्सैल है, सुनता नहीं किसी की बात. चेंज नहीं हुआ है. Same चीज है, हर एपिसोड में same चीज.
And that बाप is like this fucking asshole who's like, "ये क्यों मेरे को नहीं चलाने का है ना, तू क्यों आया मेरे पे शो बनाने का?" भाग निकल ऐसे.
And then it's like, my food is the best food in all the city, and then they start to it be like oil on the food and like no salt. It's always like grease falling from the pizza. It's amazing. Oh, God.
have you guys seen this TikTok video जिसमें there's this guy who is making some recipe और कुछ फकौल सा recipe बना रहा है and Gordon Ramsay is commenting on it and he is so disappointed within that in that like TikTok videos are just 1 minute long and उसमें भी वो इतना ज़्यादा ही disappointed है.
Have you guys watched any mukbang
Oh, man.
on YouTube?
What?
Mukbangs.
Oh yes.
So the
Yeah.
mukbang is a concept where like
So a mukbang is basically
yeah, you tell. I feel like you'll tell better.
Much more thrilled.
Oh
about
wow,
this.
no, it's fine. It's just so mukbang. I'm still not sure how it's pronounced, but basically it's this concept where YouTubers or whoever they basically get together and have like a bunch of things from maybe like the same cuisine, like Indian mukbang where it's like fully Indian food, or like basically you have a sad mukbang, like things you eat when you're sad, and then it's just like a
Oh.
bunch of food, and then you're just eating and like talking into the camera.
So basically, it's like
That's
this
it.
podcast, but they have food with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, man, too real, man. Too real.
And the only difference is we don't have the budget or
To call YouTubers.
or the physical aspect of it. right now.
Oh God.
Tell you what I made.
हाँ नामिका बता. Just-
Wait,
Parents
I'm
happy.
gonna go quickly get it.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Just a second. I'm still here.
She's like, if you fuckers bitch about.
ये क्या यार ये अनामिका को क्यों बुलाया है यार यहाँ पे क्या फालतू में कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है.
This guy.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi.
It looks like Mentos. Did you make Mentos at home?
So I've been making like stuff with air modeling clay. So this is something that I wanted to do since I was a kid. But then I don't think I found air modeling clay. So now I've made like a really tiny cup. I don't know if you can.
Oh
Oh my gosh.
I thought you made something to eat.
And
That's what I thought.
That's so
yes, this is something to eat. So I've made a plate of doshas which I am yet to fully paint, but
nice.
you know, I feel like it would just be easier to do this. Oh no, that's also
So small.
cool. But yeah, that's how my quarantine has been going.
Nice.
That's actually good. Now I want to eat dosa.
Leftovers,
Thank you, Anand.
leftovers feet unedible dosa.
Yes.
That's the name
Featuring
of today's
air
episode.
hardening clay. Yeah.
Isn't all clay air hardening at some point?
That's a good point.
Yeah. That's true.
It's just normal clay. Just clay. Yes.
Hey, it's
It's
clay
clay.
that went to an MBA college.
Play-Doh for 20+-year-olds.
Basically, like, you know how you watch different shows, right? Do you have like a specific food that you enjoy for certain types of shows and certain genres? Like, because I feel like Friends is like, for me, it's like, oh, I can eat anything while watching Friends. But if it's like, you know, a more serious show or something, like I'll prefer to have, or like if it's like I don't know, basically I want to create an ambience with food. So if it's like a very like winter love story kind of show, like I'll make myself coffee or something like that. Or if it's like just like a random fun show, then I'll have it with dinner. So do you guys also have that?
No.
Or like some food pairs better with certain shows?
For me, I cannot like if I am too much into the like whatever the serial I'm watching, whatever the series I'm watching, if I'm too much into that, I cannot have like a food that creates a lot of distraction. Like मैं ऐसे मिर्जापुर देखते टाइम मैं बिरयानी नहीं खा सकता. So like वो मेरे को नहीं चलेगा. I उस टाइम पे like if I'm having dinner तो उस टाइम पे मेरे को चाहिए कि वो कुछ ऐसा light hearted सब चल जाए. But yeah, but coffee is something that I'm okay with like for all kinds of series.
For me, it's
That
not
makes
always
sense.
available. It's not always available. But like if I'm watching a series which is new, like I've never seen the series before, I always prefer to have like non-packaged food. I mean, which is there in the fridge. मतलब कुछ भी है. But like something that I don't like because I wanted like proper food. Like it's like I'm into the series. So I don't want like Lays and because me वो जमता नहीं फिर.
Oh.
Because like if there's pasta at home or if there's like
Is it because of the
leftover.
sound?
Sorry.
Is it because it's a noisy thing, like when you have packaging, or is it just like because you want like a wholesome meal?
I don't know why it is, but I feel now that I think of it, I feel like maybe for me it's like if I watch it while eating Lays, I'm like I'm not dedicating as much of my attention. Like if you have it with like proper food, it's like more your like that's important to you. But if you have it with like Lays, like chalega. I feel like the food needs to reflect like the series that I'm watching. I don't know, it's a weird thing with me, but like
Indranil is like, I want a croissant with a chocolate. Just eat. टाइम में मेरे को बस एक ब्लू लिस्ट चल जाएगा, मैं किसी किसी कुछ निकलेगा उसके साथ.
It's not always available, so I end up going back to bread, as I've mentioned several times on the show. But like, yeah.
But has
Oh my gosh.
do you guys
Oh,
do you guys like frozen food, like वो frozen क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ready to eat वाला जो
Yeah,
cereals
yeah,
है.
that's one of the things that I generally have if I don't get anything else. I'll just fry up like 8 or 9 chicken nuggets or 8 or 9 cheese corn nuggets, and that's like I'm set for the binge watch.
Perfect.
for
And
some
even
reason I'm not like that into like the thing is I got it initially like when I had like moved out and stuff. I was like, yeah, now I'm gonna get these because finally I can get them. Nobody's stopping me. But then I feel like I can't like make them properly. I feel like when I make my normal, like when I make it on my own from scratch, it turns out much better than, it just feels artificial for some reason when I make it.
नहीं, but during binge watch ऐसा कोई issue नहीं है. उस time पे तो I want कि something that is just easily cooked, जल्दी से बन जाए, and then you just eat it.
हाँ.
Anamika, are you frying them correctly?
You know what? I think this was early on, so I may not have been frying them properly. But I'll tell you,
We all learned something.
it's not Smiley's fault, guys. Smiley's, you can still sponsor this podcast.
Please, Mari. Even if
One of
Anamika
my
can fry things, just sponsor us.
Yeah. I think every brand we've mentioned so far, we should ask for a sponsorship. Like, just as
Gordon Ramsay, please sponsor us. Gordon Ramsay.
sponsor us.
Just please
There are
come
4
on
of
our
us, we can
podcast
make
and
2
just
idiots
abuse
happen.
it.
Air hardening clay, please sponsor us. Please.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Ah. I'm just very proud of this, guys. That's why I'm like showing it off. But cool. My point is, oh yeah, so there was this one guy in our college, one of our friends who used to watch like Hannibal and the Human Centipede and stuff while eating.
Oh.
So I'm wondering if we have any sociopaths among us today.
I don't have a.
I read about the Human Centipede, and I am horrified by the concept of that movie.
Dude, you have to watch Two Girls, One Cup then.
Oh.
Man.
Two Girls, One Cup. Someone.
2 girls, 1 cup. Please sponsor us.
Nah. Don't, please. Don't.
What were you saying, Anil?
Yeah, I was saying Two Girls, One Cup. Someone texted me the link, but I had slept. So I woke up in the morning and I clicked on that link and I saw that video.
And अचानक से हगने का मन किया.
But yeah, I was.
Was that the first time
हाँ,
you were seeing it ever?
that was the first time.
So what did you pair it with as food?
So the thing is, the friend who sent me the link, he didn't tell me anything, and he was a friend who used to send me links like कुछ भी ऐसे random भेज देगा कि मतलब ये वाला वीडियो देख, ये वाला song सुन या कुछ भी ऐसा, and then this video, and I'm like,
That friend secretly works for the FBI collecting uninstalled
I
data
feel
from
like-
2010 class.
I feel like that friend probably only sent you the other stuff so that at one point he could send you this without you suspecting anything. It's the most elaborate prank.
Oh, man.
here's a song, here's a movie, here's Two Girls, One Cup, just enjoy.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, speaking of seeing things early in the morning, Indraneel and I have a story today.
Oh fuck, dude!
Do you want to
I
say
thought she was gonna say. Speaking of seeing things early in the morning, hey Indranil, what's up? I was like, holy
But yeah, tell the story.
No, so I'll tell you what happened.
Leftovers brought to you by Tarang Hardikar.
So here's the thing, okay? In the morning, I just got done with the night shift, right? So then it was that time of the day when I was like almost done with my shift. I was just wrapping up. So then I was also on Instagram, just like sending people funny memes I saw. And there's this beautiful God's gift to Instagram page called Toilets with Threatening
Oh
Aura.
yeah.
Which one?
And I sent it to a bunch of people, including you, Anand, I think, and Indranil, okay? And then Indranil, yes. And Indranil is like, he was the only one with a negative reaction, by the way. It was this beautiful toilet, okay? And it looked pretty scary. And then it was beautiful, okay? Indranil, hashtag all toilets are beautiful. But fine. But I've been watching so much John Oliver, I'm just creating a hashtag for this show now. But yeah, and then Indranil was like, oh my gosh, what happened? Why are you sending me a toilet early in the morning? And then I told him I'm on a night shift and sent him. And then he was like, okay. Then I sent him a cat video as compensation.
Indranil, I fucking hate cats.
Keep your toilets and your cats.
Oh god.
It's a pretty random thing
But
to
we
wake up
watched-
to in the morning.
But
And like, the
I
thing
feel
is,
like
I
I
spent,
agree
I
with
spent some time trying to figure out if there was some meaning behind the photo. Like, had I like requested Anamika to find something and send me, and I had forgotten about it. So I looked at that photo and I was like, it's a toilet. It says toilet.
I think-
I'm pretty sure it's a toilet. But like,
I
why?
think if you see something posted by a handle called toilets with threatening auras and you don't get the meaning in the first glance, I don't think you are getting it like एक घंटे देखने के बाद भी.
You know, weirdly enough, Indranil, you were the only one who had a problem with me sending it early in the morning.
You need more normal friends.
Well then, that's a separate issue, Indranil. I didn't come to this podcast to be dragged about my friendships.
well, ooh,
But
You guys want to wrap up?
yeah,
You guys want to wrap up?
हाँ. So हाँ, it's 1 घंटा 4 मिनट हो गया.
hmm.
That's good.
Wait,
But before we wrap up, I was looking at, like, I was surfing for something to talk about during like some facts or something. And I thought that one thing would never disappoint me, and that would be Quora. And it didn't. It didn't disappoint me, guys. I found 2 great questions on Quora. Okay. I'll just share it with you.
But they weren't great questions. I can just imagine a narrator in the background going, but they weren't great questions.
Okay, so nice. Thank you, Indranil.
You're welcome. Always happy to help out.
Okay, so the first question is, if you just graduated from Yale, first of all, that's the intended audience for this.
Okay.
If you
Okay
just
then.
graduated from Yale, how much free time do Yale students have for relationships, binge watching favorite TV shows, be involved in university activities? They also tell me food is edible at Yale, nothing like restaurant quality food. That is
What's
is
the
the
question? Like, how much free
Feel-
time do you have?
I feel like the answer is yes.
I like it. So my favorite thing about this question is, like, he also mentioned be involved in university activities. You know those things that universities do, education and all.
But after graduating Yale, how many backlogs do you have, bro?
No, I think what he means is that that's a part of the question. He's asking people who have graduated from Yale that after you have graduated
Yeah.
from Yale, which I think is implied. Like you can't answer the question if you haven't graduated from Yale. I feel like
Yeah.
if you're asking this question and you're going to Yale, don't go. I feel like,
But my favorite answer to this question was there's this one person who I think he has worked at the university, and he's like, Yale food is on par quality wise with some restaurants. As far as free time, unless you are rich and can afford to go there without taking a campus or summer job, don't plan on it.
Dude, perfect.
Oh my god.
Okay, and but my favorite question that I found was this one. I'll just yeah. So the question is, what are your favorite snacks when you go to a movie theater, comma, and why?
yeah.
3 marks question.
Okay, and the first answer is popcorn, of course. And then he has a big bucket of popcorn, ka picture after that answer, just to tell you
Why?
that's what he's talking about.
I feel like he answers both of those things. He has popcorn, and then he put a picture so that everyone else would look at it and be like, "Why?" And I think
No,
that
but-
answers.
But he has told why.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let me tell you why. Okay, there are a number of great attributes about popcorn, not least of which is its flexibility.
I can already say that this person is an engineer or some sort.
Yeah, so
I was literally gonna say, yeah, he's
there are a number of great attributes about popcorn, not least of which is its flexibility. You can control how much, if any, butter or salt you put on it. Any one of a number other than toppings. You can make it salty and buttery in a traditional way, or you can put something sweet on it. And then he has like a 500-word essay on how does popcorn is the best.
इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो ना प्लीज ये वीडियो में
I
डाल
think that's real deadly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that should be the thumbnail.
like you don't he doesn't want the audience to go away after just watching popcorn, comma, of course. So he just kept a picture of it and then the long answer after.
but a picture speaks 1,000 words guys तो उसने 1500 वर्ड लिखा है वहाँ पे
I think a picture speaks 1,000 words, and this picture speaks the same word 1,000 times, which is why.
Nice.
Oh man.
So yeah.
But I feel like people rarely take like samosas or nachos,
Hey,
whatever.
nacho
You
person.
take
Yeah?
nachos?
Yes.
But
I do
There are like
take
2 or 3
nachos.
people. There are like
Yeah,
2 or 3 people in the group. Then one gets nachos and one gets popcorn.
Yeah, nachos is basically bread. That's why Indranil has it. He has a dip also. You can spread it off.
So if basically Indranil can't eat nachos while watching an intense scene because the heart rate is high.
No, so nachos are not that heavy to carry. I don't know if you're eating a nacho. Anand.
bread is also not heavy in the
Hey, if you
You
put spread on it,
Bread is
it
lighter
becomes
than
really heavy.
nachos. I think we can all agree on that.
Not if you put spreads on it. Okay, if you, peanut butter is really heavy. If you have bread with peanut butter, it becomes quite heavy.
heavy.
Yeah, just I think
I
you
feel like your phone is heavier than that, and you can carry that while watching something
I'm
underneath.
not
like you carry it without even carrying it.
Okay, Indrani, just to clarify, peanut butter is not just putting butter and then sticking peanuts on it. It's actual butter made out of peanuts.
Oh,
I get the crunchy kind, okay? So,
See, that's the weight.
I have a solution to you, Indranil. If you
Stop eating
I
them.
don't want to.
have air drying food, all very light.
That's what we need.
I feel like Indranil is going to be very competitive in the gym. Someone is like, "Hey, मैं आज 100 ग्राम का डंबल उठाया ले मैं 130 का उठाया ठीक है ना."
मैं ब्रेड उठाया पीनट बटर लगा के.
Indranil just goes on over there taking a bread. 1, 2, 3.
I'll also be binge watching a series.
Oh my gosh.
The series is called "My Friends Build a Better Body Than Me in the Gym." While I eat.
The series is I Need More Friends.
Nice.
But yeah, let's wrap it up.
Yeah,
Man.
man. Good.
That's it, guys. That's the podcast. Thank you so
How
much
do you
for
guys wrap up?
listening. What?
Yeah,
That's how we wrap up, Anamika. We could not speak when we are wrapping up the next one.
All right.
We'll do that again.
No, I think there's like a slight lag that's happening.
Yeah.
So I'm constantly interrupting somebody by accident.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're wrapping it up. We'll give 3 seconds to Anamika to let her hear that we're wrapping it up. Okay.
Bye, guys.
But yes, that was the podcast. Thank you so much for watching, listening. If you want it on the way, subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. And that's it. Bye bye. We'll see you next week or whenever the next podcast is uploaded. Bye bye.
Bye.